Let's get ready to make some kites. If you notice right here, we're going to put our fingers about the middle of the paper, just like this. And then we're going to take our pencil and we're going to create a little tiny dot right there at the bottom to find the middle. Now we're going to go from the side to that dot like this. And then we're going to do the exact same thing from the other side by going from the middle of the paper down to that point. And it looks like it makes a big V. Now we're going to do the same thing for the top. We're going to put a little dot in the top middle like this. And we're going to go from the side up to that dot. And then from the other side up to that dot. And what shape did we just draw? That's right, a diamond. Now we're going to go from the very top corner all the way down to the very bottom, just like this. Then we're going to go from the side and we're going to draw a line from this corner all the way across to this corner. Now you're going to get your Sharpie and trace all of your pencil lines that we did for our kite, just like I'm doing here. Make sure you take your time. When you get done Sharpieing, you're going to get your eraser and erase any pencil lines that you might see. Now we're going to fill this section with pattern. Choose a color and we're going to create polka dots. Now if you notice, I do half polka dots so it looks like they are coming out from the edge. You will then color in your polka dots. Remember, color out of number 3. I sped this up. After you get done coloring your polka dots, you're going to choose a different color and color in the background of your polka dots, like I'm doing here with my yellow. Remember, color at a number 3. After you finish coloring with your yellow, we're going to choose another color and we're going to do stripes in another section, just like this. Now we're going to color this top section right here with the crayon that you just used to make the stripes. And then I'm going to skip that next section and then I'm going to color the next section right here. And I'm going to continue going down, skipping and then going down to the next one. I'm going to speed it up so I can show you what it looks like after we're done skipping those sections. Then I'm going to choose a different color and you're going to color in those stripes that are white, just like this. Next, you're going to choose a different color and we're going to do zigzags. And we're going to do it in the next section right here. So do a zigzag. And you're going to repeat this pattern, filling up this section. And just like the stripes, we're going to color in the top section, skip, color in the next one, skip, and you're going to continue this until you have colored in your zigzag stripes. You will then choose another color and fill in these little areas of the zigzags with a new color, just like I'm doing here. And finally, in this last section, you're going to choose a new color. I'm going to turn it to make it easier. And you're going to begin with just a curved line, like this. And then you're going to kind of create a rainbow pattern, continuing that. Now here, I hit the line. So as we go, I'm going to go, stop at the line. I pretend it keeps going. And stop at the line, continue, stop at the line, continue. I'm going to fill in those little spaces right there. And just like we did on our other ones, you're going to begin by coloring in the first little section, skip, color in the next one, and so forth, just like we've done on our zigzags and our stripes. Almost done here, finishing up on my last little bit. And then you're going to choose a new color and fill in those white spots with a new color. And we're all done with our kite. Now you're going to get a pair of scissors and you're going to cut on the black line. That way we have a nice clean kite. We don't see a bunch of extra white around the edges, cutting on that black line. After you're finished cutting, you're going to put away your scissors and throw your trash in the recycle bin. You're now going to need a glue stick, blue paper, and kite. On your blue paper on the back, write your name, your teacher initial and grade, and your table number. Turn over your paper. You're going to put glue on the back of your kite. Make sure you get a lot on there. And up towards the top, you can kind of angle your kite. Just make sure to do it close to the top so you have room for your string, the tail of your kite.